So the alarm battery is going beep beep beep. I got power back on. I open the dryer. I go, what is this? Open the dryer. I go, what is this? What is this? It was worse because it vacuumed still up. What happened was the storm was so heavy on the roof, it like back blew the dryer vent. The dryer vent goes to the roof, and it shot all this dust and lint through this, like backwards. So it cleaned out the whole dryer vent, I guess. And yeah, mostly it's in here now. Unbelievable. I've never seen anything like that before. So the wind was so heavy on the roof, it blew down and blew through here, which was very, 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 very interesting. But there we go. Maybe other houses are wrecked the same way. But let's see if this thing works. I'm gonna suck all this stuff out. At least I got a clean dryer vent now. Yeah. Pressure on the roof. Crazy. Is it better now? Yeah. It's all blown over here. Now it's not on the wrong side. I had to clean out the whole dryer duct, blow out that hose, and we're good. So it came all the way up in the sky, up my boxes, and it went and I blew it down from the roof pressure. Crazy, right? Who would have ever known? At least I got a free dryer duct cleaning. It was really, really overdue.